Hey, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's having a great day. This is Kevin, and I'm here with our temple chairman, a couple contractors out at the Whitestone Masonic Hall, and it's a big day. Been doing a lot of work at the temple, and we have a crane here because we're going to be landing our new HVAC units. We have two of them that we're replacing, a 20-ton and a 10-ton that are going into the backyard. And I'm here with our temple chairman, and I'm here with Roland from Mega Mechanical, and I'm here with Frank.
They had a rig and extension on the
So yeah, we're going to take a walk through and show you some of the work that we're doing up in the temple. How you doing? So we got quite a bit of work going on in the temple. One of the things in the works that we are filing now with the DOB is this corner over here where the steps lead up to the attic and the office door is going to be a unisex accessible bathroom, so that this will be the only bathroom on the lodge floor level that we've needed for a long time, and it will help some of our elder brothers not have to go downstairs, or ladies for that fact, and be able to access a bathroom here. And we're going to change the office door to in this hallway here. So one of the bigger undertakings right now that we're working on is our lodge room ceiling, which has gotten a complete skim coat. It's been reinforced with fiberglass mesh, and it's going to receive a full paint job, which is a big, not big much going on down here, but in the backyard we had the old units taken out, and they were pretty much cut up in place and taken out through the basement. And we had two new slabs poured for these units. And they're going to come over the top here.
Frank, what are you going to do? What? You got to do that stupid swing.
Yes, I'm gonna.